Welcome to English Learning Podcast, your simple guide to better English today. We will have a very special English listening practice specifically for ordering food in a restaurant do. You feel nervous when you go to a restaurant? Do you worry about speaking to the waiter? Do you think, what if I make a mistake? Or what if I do not understand? This is normal. Many students feel this way, but today we will change that together. In this English podcast for beginners, you will learn real American English phrases that are simple, useful, and easy to remember. We will speak in easy English and slow English, so you can understand every word. I am your guide, speaking with a clear native English speaker accent to help you build confidence. By the end of this video, you will know how to get a table, how to order a drink, how to order your main meal, and how to pay the bill. We will practice daily English conversation that you can use tomorrow. So find a quiet place, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's start your English listening practice first. Let us look at the structure of a restaurant visit. It usually has 4 parts. Part 1 is arriving, Part 2 is ordering drinks, Part 3 is ordering food, and Part 4 is paying. Let's look at Part 1, arriving. When you walk into a restaurant in the USA, you usually wait at the front door. A person works there. This person is called a host or hostess, or sometimes a server. The server will ask you a question. They might say how many. This is short for how many people are in your group. You can answer with a number 2, 3, 4, or you can use a full sentence table for 2. 2 is a very common phrase. It means you need a table with 2 chairs. If you are alone, you can say just 1 please or table for 1. Then the server will say, right this way. This means follow me to your table now. Part 2, ordering drinks. When you sit down, the server will give you a menu. The menu is the book or paper with a list of food. The server will ask, can I get you something to drink? Or would you like something to drink? In the USA, water is usually free. You can ask for tap water. This is water from the sink. It is safe to drink. Or you can ask for bottled water. This costs money, so you can say, I'll have a water please. Or just water for me, thank you. If you want soda, you can say, I'll have a Coke, or I'll have a Sprite. If it is morning, you might say, I'd like some coffee. Please notice the phrase I'd like this is short for I would like. It is very polite. It is much better than saying I want. I want can sound a little rude. I'd like is soft and friendly now. Part 3, ordering food. The server will go away to get your drinks. When they come back, they will ask, are you ready to order? If you are not ready, if you are still reading the menu, you can say, not yet. I need a few more minutes, please. Or can we have a minute? This is real American English. It is polite too. Ask for time when you are ready. You can use the phrase I'll have or I'd like. For example, look at the menu. You see chicken sandwich. You can say, I'll have the chicken sandwich. You see burger. You can say, I'd like the burger please. Sometimes the server asks questions for a burger. They might ask, how would you like that cooked? This means, do you want it pink inside or brown inside? You can say, medium please. This is pink in the middle. Or well done please. This is brown all the way through. No pink. They might also ask about sides. A side is a small plate of food with your main meal, like fries or salad or soup. They might ask, fries or salad? You answer fries please. Now Part 4, paying. When you finish eating, you wait at your table. In the USA, you usually pay at the table. You do not go to the door to pay. Need the check or the bill. These words are the same. Check is very common in America. You catch the server's eye and you say, excuse me, can we have the check please? Or simply check please. The server brings a small folder. You put your credit card or cash inside. The server takes it and brings it back. And remember, in the USA, we leave a tip. A tip is extra money for the server, usually 15% or 20% of the total price. This is daily English conversation for a restaurant. It is simple, right? Now we will practice these phrases many times so they stay in your brain. Welcome to the interactive practice section. This is the most important part of your English listening practice. I will say a phrase. I will say it clearly and slowly. Then I will be quiet. In the quiet time, you must repeat the phrase. Try to speak out loud. Copy my voice, copy my speed. This is how you learn to sound like a native English speaker. You ready? Let's begin. Listen. Table for two, please. Now repeat, listen. Again, table for two, please. Now repeat, listen. Just one, please. Now repeat, listen again. Just one, please. Now repeat, listen. Can I see a menu now? Repeat, listen again. Can I see a menu now? Repeat, listen. I'd like some water, please. Now repeat, listen. Again, I'd like some water, please. Now repeat, listen. I'll have a Coke. Now repeat, listen again. I'll have a Coke. Now repeat, listen. Are you ready to order now? Repeat, asterisk, listen again. Are you ready to order now? Repeat, listen. Not yet. I need a minute now. Repeats a sin. Again, not yet. I need a minute now. Repeats a sin. I am ready. Now repeats a sin again. I am ready now. Repeats a sin. I'd like the chicken sandwich. Now repeats a sin again. I'd like the chicken sandwich. Now repeats a sin. I'll have the salad. Now repeat, listen again. I'll have the salad. Now repeat, listen. Can I get extra sauce? Now repeat, listen again. Can I get extra sauce? Now repeat, listen. Everything is delicious. Now repeat, listen again. Everything is delicious. Now repeat, slicing. Check, please. Now repeat, slicing again. Check, please. Now repeat, slicing. Can I have the bill? Now repeat, slicing again. Can I have the bill? Now repeat, slicing. Do you take credit cards? Now repeat, slicing again. Do you take credit cards? Now repeat, listen. Keep the change. Now repeat, listen again. Keep the change. Now repeat, listen. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now repeat, listen again. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now repeat. You're speaking real American English. You are practicing easy English. Do not worry if you are slow. Slow English is good English. If you need to rewind this video, go back to the start of the practice. Do it again. Asterisk repetition is the key to success. Now let's listen to a story. Stories help us remember words. In real life, close your eyes if you can imagine a man named Tom. Tom is hungry. He is in New York City. He wants to eat lunch. Tom sees a nice restaurant. Smells like burgers and fries. He opens the door and walks inside. The restaurant is busy there. Are many people talking? It is loud. Tom feels a little shy, but he remembers his English lessons. A woman walks up to Tom. She is the hostess. She smiles and says, "Hi there. How many?" Tom smiles back. He says, "Table for one, please." The woman grabs a menu. She says, "Right this way." Tom follows her. She takes him to a small table near the window. It is sunny. Tom likes the sun. She puts the menu on the table. She says, "Your server will be right with you." Tom sits down. He looks at the menu. He sees pictures of food. There are big burgers, hot soups, and green salads. A young man comes to the table. He is the waiter. He says, "Hi, my name is Mike. Can I start you off with something to drink?" Tom is thirsty. He wants something cold. He says, "I'd like an iced tea, please." Mike writes it down. "Sure thing. I'll be right back." Mike walks away. Tom looks at the menu again. He sees a cheeseburger. It looks very good. He also sees a Caesar salad. It looks healthy. Tom thinks, "Maybe I will have both." Mike comes back with the iced tea. He puts it on the table. He asks, "Are you ready to order?" Tom nods his head. "Yes, I am ready." Mike holds his pen. "What can I get for you?" Tom speaks clearly. He uses his easy English phrase, "I'll have the cheeseburger, please." Mike asks, "How would you like that cooked?" Tom remembers he likes it pink inside. "Medium, please." Mike writes, "Okay, and that comes with fries or salad?" Tom says, "Fries, please." Mike says, "Anything else?" Tom says, "No, that is all. Thank you." Tom drinks his iced tea. He watches the people outside the window. He feels happy. He ordered his food in English. He did not make a mistake. 10 minutes later, Mike brings the food. The plate is hot. The burger is big. The fries are yellow and crispy. Mike says, "Here you go. Enjoy." Tom says, "Thank you." Tom eats the burger. It is delicious. He eats the fries. They are salty and good. When he finishes, he is full. He wipes his mouth with a napkin. He looks for Mike. Mike walks by Tom, raises his hand a little. He says, "Excuse me?" Check please, Mike says you got it. Mike brings the check in a small black book. Tom opens it. The lunch costs $18. Tom puts a $20 bill inside. He also puts $4 for a tip. He wants to be polite. He stands up. He walks to the door. The hostess says, "Have a great day." Tom says, "Thank you." "You too." Tom walks out onto the street. He feels proud. He had a daily English conversation. He spoke with a native English speaker. And now he is not hungry anymore. This story shows you exactly how to use the phrases. It is simple. It is calm. It is real life now. It is time for your homework. Yes, you have homework, but it is easy. Want you to write a comment below this video. Imagine you are in a restaurant. Tell me what you order. Use the phrase "I'd like" or "I'll have," for example, right? "I'd like a pizza" or "I'll have a salad." This will help you practice writing, and I love to read your comments. So, if this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, you join our community. You get more English listening practice every week. Thank you for listening to English Learning Podcast. You are doing a great job. Learning a language takes time, but you are getting better every day. We'll see you in the next lesson. Good luck and goodbye.